What's going on, Scar? It's Coma Scar here, and today I have another episode for you guys. This is Pixel Car Racer. I bought 4 crates because I had extra money left over that I found out. And I just opened one. I got paint, Trembo slotted. I got absolutely nothing. Oh my god, man. Lion Racing and then Trembo slotted. Oh, and then I got zombie paint, but I mean, like, how much can zombie paint actually be worth? Oh, 34 grand, not bad, not bad, not bad. Let's go upgrade the Supra some more. They don't look the best, but I now have $500,000. So we can get a better exhaust. It currently has a titanium good old exhaust. I'm looking Japan Racing Victory Pipes flat side exhaust. Oh my gosh. If I can get any exhaust here for like black carbon. Yo, this is insane. Alright, well, I mean, 95 horsepower, I can just come over here and grab myself a cheaper one. Alright, I think I'm just gonna get for now, probably just that. And then I think I'm gonna come back over to the dealership and buy a car I've been waiting to own for a while. Or I could upgrade the Supra some more, but I don't know. Actually, I could. I could get the Supra some more. Pow pow. Alright, well, let's actually go. I want to get a new turbo. So, on the Supra, I have the Ready T1X. I saw that one. Alright, so next, the better turbo. I have the best turbo that I can get at the moment, which is kind of sad, but I mean, it is what it is. The Supra, it will last. 2,100 horsepower. It's not much, but it's something. I do plan on getting, which means I can actually go and buy another car if I really, really wanted to. And I don't know, I kind of want an all-wheel drive car for roll racing. I just don't know what to get. Alright, so we're going to purchase one of those bad boys and just name it Mustang for now, I guess. And then we're going to come back into the dealer, no, not the, the dealership. And I think we're going to go get a very special car that a lot of people end up buying as like supercars, and I understand why. All-wheel drive, very, very cool. R34. We bought ourselves an R34, and honestly, I may go and get 10 crates because I think that would be really, really cool just to go and grab up. But I don't know. I don't have enough money for that. I don't think I do. At least I think I have like $4, which isn't enough for anything. What day is it today? I don't know. Alright, so if it's the 29th, right? If it is the 29th, I have something coming for you guys. Why am I back in here? No, we have the R34. We gotta go over to the parts store. We're gonna buy it a turbo. Just a big old turbo. You get the T1E. It also needs a stock wing, but I mean, rather than that, it will do. It will definitely do. I don't actually know what I'm gonna want to do to it. It has 800 horsepower at the moment. I do need to go get a stock wing. One for the Mustang. Now with the Mustang, I'm gonna tell you guys a build I want to do with it. I want to switch out its 5.4 liter V8 or V6. I don't remember exactly. I don't know exactly which one this is, because if this is a Shelby GT500, it has a big old V8. I don't know the liters like that, but I do want to swap that out for, I don't know, something that's not an LS, or like anything really, really exotic, like maybe if a V12 if it ever comes to the game. I don't want to swap it out with that. But maybe something like a really, like a, not a Hemi, I don't know, something cool. Alright, so let's get the stock spoiler on the thing. Doesn't really do much, but it just adds presence to it, which I like. And in this, you have to have a stock wing on it, or you could upgrade it, but the stock wing looks the best at the moment. So with the Supra, I want to do a 4,000 horsepower build. The LFA 2.5, the IS300 1,500. This Mustang, not sure yet. And then the R34, 3,000 to 4,000 horsepower roll monster. Alright, just to show you guys that it is like okay, I do want to do a cruise in it, and rather than that, alright, so just to show you guys how bad it is, not how bad, how good it is, I also switched it to instead of like the buttons on the side here, and I did that mainly just because I thought it looked better. The Supra is just growing and growing in power. With the exhaust, actually does that, the LFA gets its old exhaust. So. Wait, no, I sold its old exhaust. This one actually doesn't even have an exhaust. Alright, next episode we're going to go through, I'm going to go buy crates, because I think I have like $4 I can get something. But, R34, I do also plan on getting more iTunes gift cards in the near future. I'm just waiting to find my wallet, because I don't know where it is at the moment. But the Mustang, I don't know. The LFA, I don't know. The Supra, I don't know. This thing I want to have 4,000 horsepower. I don't know if that can go in a stock engine, though. What I could do is buy an engine or hope to get one from the crates that we open in the next episode. And what we can do then is if we get an engine, we could put it in. And then anytime we want to put the TJZ back in, we can just swap that back in. I think that would be really, really cool to do. Because I want it to have 4,000 horsepower so bad. I don't know if it can do a stock, though. Alright, guys. I already said the outro. So, yeah. Peace out.